After watching this video you will be able to understand what to serve with fish tacos. The fish taco is one of the most delectable foods that you cannot resist. There's always something about the fish's flesh that you wanted to repeatedly eat every day, and any self-respecting restaurants would agree to that fact. They always have a place for seafood's menu. From mild to full fish flavor, you may be able to determine to which category they belong based on the color of its uncooked fillet. The whiter the flesh, then the milder the taste. Before having more information about what to serve with fish tacos, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. Fish are also great for any Mexican dish, especially when cooked in tacos. Even if most tacos are heavy flavored and heavy in the stomach, but there's still something about the fish that you can't get enough of. Here are the lists of the full recipe of the most favorite taco in the world. Mango guacamole. The ingredients that you needed to prepare for the mango guacamole are 2 avocados, peeled and diced mango, 1 cup of chopped parsley, 1 cup of minced scallion, 1/4 cup of chopped fresh mint, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. Making mango guacamole is very simple. All you have to do is mash the avocados in a large bowl and stir all the ingredients together, and lastly, season it with salt and pepper. As for the fish taco preparation, prepare 4 whole tilapia, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning, olive oil for mixing and frying, lime juice, corn tortillas, sour cream and a 1/2 cup of cilantro. The first thing that you have to do is to combine the whisk hot sauce, olive oil and Cajun seasoning in a bowl, then marinate the fish while putting it in the Ziploc bag. Place the bag in 20 minutes for the fish marination. After 20 minutes, take out the fish from the refrigerator and remove it from the bag. Put the olive oil in the frying pan and fry the fish for about 3 minutes from each side. After frying, place the fish fillet in each tortilla and top it with mango guacamole, and for the final touch, add cilantro and sour cream for extra flavor. Watermelon and tomato gazpacho. To start with, prepare for the chimichurri sauce. The primary ingredients for the sauce are the parsley, cilantro, oregano, red wine vinegar, peeled garlic, 1/2 lime, salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, and olive oil. In a large bowl, just mix well all the ingredients together except for the olive oil. You can only add the olive if they are combined together well. Stir it well and put inside the refrigerator if done. For the gazpacho, prepare the cubed watermelon, tomatoes, bell pepper, cucumber, red onion, garlic, jalapeno pepper, a 1/2 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, lime juice, salt, and black pepper. When everything is good, just put it together and put it in the blender and put the blender in high mood. Once smooth, then add salt and black pepper for additional seasoning. Chill it in the refrigerator afterward. Pour the chilled gazpacho into the bowl upon serving and put in the chimichurri sauce. Smoky barbecue corn. The ingredients for these are 6 whole corn cobs, mayonnaise, lime juice, chili powder, grated Parmesan cheese, smoked paprika, and cilantro. The first thing that you have to do is to prepare a frill for medium to high heat, then boil the water with the corn in it. You just have to time it well if you feel that the corn is already tender. Drain and place the corn on the barbecue. In a large bowl, combine the mayonnaise, lime and chili powder all together and spread them into the corn. Scatter then the Parmesan cheese and smoked paprika, then you optionally give additional seasoning like salt and pepper. Can fish taco be good for you? Although there's no question that fish taco is a luscious delicacy to eat, still there's a wide debate if tacos are really healthy or not. Many health analysts and nutritionists that tacos can be either healthy or junk, depending on the ingredients that were used in the taco. What to serve with fish tacos? Conclusion. Even though many consider this as junk food that's not very beneficial to your body, if you're going to revise the ingredients and choose what's good for you, then it wouldn't be a problem. For more information about what to serve with fish tacos, visit our website yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.